So unless you've been living under a rock, you've definitely heard about the TikTok Creator Program and how much is actually paying these TikTokers.
Exactly how much money I made from TikTok in the month of June. That brings the grand total to $3,125.
So everybody put your hands in the air.
So that's why today we're going to build a brand new TikTok page in order for us to get accepted to this creativity program. And make sure to watch every step of this video because I'm going to show you every step of the way. Hey guys, welcome to Tech Trick Tutorial. Today, we are going to start our own TikTok page from scratch. It's a step-by-step guide to follow easily, and don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Let's dive right in. Now you see, TikTok as a whole is cracking down on these clip channels. Now, if you don't know what a clip channel is, it's basically just where you post some gameplay and then you post some clip on top of that. This is just like either someone's YouTube video or like a podcast or something. Now, I've been talking a lot of people in the TikTok space and it seems like these pages are getting hit with their own original content flag, which basically means TikTok will pay you for every views you get that I hit with this flag, and more of these clips channels are getting hit with this flag. I'm not sure how long TikTok are going to allow these clip pages, and it does seem that they are cracking down on it. Now, I'm not saying that you can't earn money with these pages, and I'm not saying people aren't making money on these pages. There's still quite a few successful pages in the clip niche, but I'm just saying, if you're going to start a TikTok page, you're going to put all these hours into making a page. So hopefully, you can start earning some money every month. I am not going to waste your time making a clip page in case they take it down in like 5 months. And then all of a sudden, you just lost your whole brand. So with that really important disclaimer out of the way, we can now proceed with the niche one. For the first niche, I'm going to be recommending AI motivation. It's not just any normal motivation. AI motivation is 100% our own content, which means TikTok will monetize this and will actually get good money. Now, when I say about AI motivation, I'm about like stoic motivation or like financial money making motivation niche. So if you don't know what I mean, let's take a look at this stoic page right here. Now, really quickly, you can see that this page is generating millions of views. Honestly, these videos are really easy to make with AI. Now, I really like this niche for a few reasons. These videos have the potential to blow up massively. I mean, you could have a page with like 15k followers and your videos can be hitting like 500k views. And that is not abnormal. There's loads of different Reddit pages that are hitting this crazy view number because we're trying to maximize profit. Obviously, the more views that we get, the more money that we get. So this is definitely something that we are interested in when we're joining the TikTok creativity program. It seems like a no-brainer. So in our tutorial, we are going to be using the story Reddit niche. With that out of the way, we can now proceed with the step 1. So of course, you can go ahead and make your own gameplay for this type of videos, but in this tutorial, we are just going to use youtube.com in order to get those videos. You could go ahead and add gameplays like from GTA 5 or Subway Surfer or whatever you want. So in this tutorial, we are going to be choosing the Minecraft gameplay. So let's just go over to the search bar right here and I'm going to search for Minecraft RTX free to use. It's really important to check if the content is free to use just in case you get into some legal actions later down the road when you start earning money from TikTok or YouTube Shorts. So after looking for a lot of videos, I find this one the best because it is free to use. So if you go ahead and click on the video right here, you could go ahead and see a beautiful gameplay that will surely hook our audience. So if I go on over to the description right here, we could go ahead and see the free use caption. And if we go on over to the comments, we could also go ahead and see the free use said by the owner. So now that we have the confirmation that this content is free to use, we can now go ahead and download this content. So the first thing that we need to do is we're gonna go ahead and copy this entire link right here and we are going to search for YouTube to MP4. You could just go ahead and choose any link right here if you want to, but what I do is I go ahead and go back to the YouTube page right here, and at the end of the YouTube word, I just go ahead and add p at the end of it before the .com. So I'm just gonna go ahead and hit on enter, and it will go ahead and take me to this site where I could go ahead and convert the video. So of course, I'm gonna go ahead and choose the higher resolution right here. It will go ahead and convert and will download it instantly on my computer. So you could just go ahead and create your own TikTok page. It's really simple to do. You could just go ahead and use Google to create your very own page. And if you are still having a hard time creating your page, there's a lot of videos teaching you how to do that. So with that out of the way, you can now go ahead and choose your own niche. You could go ahead and choose your niche for financial advice, for financial stories, horror stories, for weird stories, or whatever stories there is in Reddit. You could just go ahead and explore multiple subreddits in order to explore your own niche. So as I was saying, right now I am inside reddit.com and I just searched for financial stories. I'm gonna go ahead and click on the first subreddit right here, and we have a bunch of comments about this subreddit. What's your craziest financial story, win or lose? So right here we have an interesting story about an employee, and she was unhappy with her job, so she decided to quit. So you could just go ahead and choose of any of the comments right here under this subreddit, or if you want to go ahead and choose your own niche, you are free to do so. And once again, there's multiple subreddits that you could go ahead and choose from. Just go ahead and find your very own interesting story. There's millions upon millions of stories on Reddit, so surely you won't run out of content. So once you have your stories, we are now going to head into this site called 11 Labs. Just go ahead and register or sign up to your account using your Google or whatever choices you might have there. So the only thing that we need to do right here is we're going to go ahead and paste the entire story that we got from Reddit, and that's all about it. The only thing left to do now is to go ahead and choose your own voice. We have a few multiple voices right here that we could go ahead and choose from. So once you find your voice, you could just go ahead and click on generate, and it will go ahead and generate the entire story for you in a voice. So after literally 5 seconds, this is what the AI gave me.
I met a guy online. We emailed and messaged. This was before texting was a thing, and went out a few times. I liked him but wasn't sure about it.
So as you can tell, the voice is very realistic. That's why I recommended this site for you, because this is one of the best AI text to speech out there. So once you have your speech right here, let's just go ahead and download the audio by clicking on the download icon right here. So when you heard the word edit, I'm sure you're thinking about this long tedious process that will go ahead and take you upon hours and hours making a video. But that is just not it on a software called CapCut.com. But that is just not it for a software called CapCut, because CapCut is extremely beginner friendly and you could go ahead and literally make videos within minutes. So right here we are inside their website. You could go ahead and download their app. It's a software and you could just go ahead and install that, but I'm gonna go ahead and make this easier for you. We're just gonna go ahead and use the website editor. I'm just gonna go ahead and click on create new video right here. And for our TikTok, we want to choose 9:16. Let's go ahead and upload our files right here. We have our gameplay and we have our voice. So right now we have our screenshot right here about the subreddit. The second thing to do is I'm gonna go ahead and add this voice right here.
What's your true life story that nobody will believe?
I'm just gonna go ahead and drag the entire audio right here inside our template, and that's about it. I'm gonna go ahead and cut the video around here. I'm gonna go ahead and delete this portion of the video, and now we are going to add our captions. We will just go ahead and click on the captions right here. Go ahead and click on auto captions and go ahead and click on generate. So let's just go ahead and move our captions in the middle of our video right here. So just go ahead and click on any captions that you see, and at the edge of your screen you will go ahead and see the presets. You could go ahead and choose at any of the presets that we have right here. I'm just gonna go ahead and choose this very simple basic one, and we could also go ahead and animate our captions. Right here, just below text to speech, we have our animate. So that is it for our tutorial. It's really simple to do, but if you want to go ahead and add an extra mile to your edit, you could also go ahead and add some background music to your videos. So there's websites called pixabay.com where you could go ahead and download free music that you could go ahead and use inside your videos. So guys, thank you for watching, and if this video has been helpful for you, please consider by liking and subscribing. I'll make sure to see you again next time. Thank you.